Hey man, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I ain't gonna cap with y'all, but this is probably one of my most anticipated releases of May. Jordan Brand went crazy with this Air Jordan 1, man. I cannot wait to show you guys. So sit back, relax, and hit that like button for this early look, man. Let's get right to it, man. YouTube, what's going on, man? The voice is coming back, bro. I feel the voice coming back. You guys gonna get the vibes. You guys gonna get the whole real DeVintage experience. And I'm here to give you guys, again, another early look, man. But if you guys are new here to the channel, you don't know what we do over here. You don't know who I am, man. It's your boy DeVintage. We do early looks. We do sneaker release, recaps. We give you guys all types of info, everything you need to know as far as being a sneakerhead. We got y'all covered right here. So make sure you guys subscribe right now to the channel. Hit the notification bell for your boy. And please, like I always ask y'all to do, man, it's free 99. Hit that like button on today's video. And of course, all my social media links will be down below. Instagram, Twitter, all that good stuff. Before we get any further in today's video, I want to let you guys know about an amazing, upcoming, thriving community over on Discord. That is Secret Sauce. Secret Sauce is an exclusive subscription-based service provided over on Discord. And this group is primarily aimed for people like me and you, sneaker enthusiasts, people that want to get sneakers for retail. People are tired of paying resale for sneakers. They have the tools, they have everything you need in terms of hitting on pairs for retail. And even if you want to make a profit on some of those sneakers, you could definitely do that as well. I definitely feel like this is a community you want to join because they share information, they let you know what's going on as far as restock, shop drops, and stuff like that. And again, if you don't like paying resale all the time like I don't, bruh, this is probably one of the best groups to get into. And if you're working 9 to 5, you can't just be up on your phone, on the computer all day, and you still want to be on the lookout for some certain sneakers that you've really been wanting all year long, Secret Sauce has the ability to auto check out some of those pairs that you are eyeing to get. And depending on what tier you are in the Discord, it allows you to get a multiple auto checkout. This is perfect for snagging your personal pair, or if you want to just make some extra cash. And you guys know how I'm always telling you guys about, upcoming shop drops, restocks, and stuff like that. Secret Sauce always has that information before everybody. Another dope feature that Secret Sauce does offer is the early links to certain products that sometimes get leaked by different, social media posts. Secret Sauce already has the information, and it allows the members to actually check out those pairs before anybody even sees it on those, major, sneaker blogs. And if you become an elite member over on Secret Sauce, you have the ability to get 1 pair of sneakers a month for retail. For example, man, the elite members over at Secret Sauce then already have their military blue 4s. And speaking of military blues, Secret Sauce is guaranteeing all of its members a pair of these joints for retail. They're so confident that you're going to get these things for retail that if you don't, they're going to go out of their way to get your pair and make sure that you do get them for that retail price. I definitely feel like another huge perk is that they just keep you up to date, let you know what's going on, keep you, updated on what's about to shop drop, what's about to restock and stuff like that. It's a community for people like you and me, man, that love sneakers and of course want to get sneakers for retail. Make sure you join up. I'm gonna leave my link down below in the description box, and tell me your boy DeVintage sent you. All right, man, shouts out to the lovely GoDap, man. If you guys don't know what GoDap is, they sell sneakers, clothing, apparel, all types of stuff. GoDap got you covered. And of course, it is 100% legit. I'm sorry, I had to find the knife, bro, because we got some heat. We got some heat inside today's package, bro. I've been shopping with GOAT for the longest, and I've told the story 100 times, but whoever is new here to the channel, I really went heavy over on GoDap when I, figured out they ship overseas, because you guys don't know, I used to live in Germany, and if you want to buy stuff off StockX, they charge you an extra international fee, but with GOAT, they ship to APO addresses, so I was covered in that aspect, and I was going crazy on the GoDap, buying early kicks, buying grills, buying all types of stuff, man. But this one right here is an early look, which is coming out, and towards the end of May. It's coming out towards the end of May. Could be a potential pushback. Who knows? Hopefully they don't push it back, because I'm telling y'all, bro, from the images, from the early pictures I have seen so far, man, I'm already in love with this shoe. I haven't seen it yet. Literally a brand new box. I ain't opened up. You guys know I give you guys this real raw reaction when I'm unboxing stuff, so you guys can see how I'm feeling towards the shoe, man. So let's go ahead and get into it, bro. Let's get into them. Okay. And we got a dope box. We got a dope box with this one right here, man. You guys can see, bro. This don't look like your regular Air Jordan 1 box. Let's go ahead and flip it over real quick. Hopefully the top don't come off. Don't let the top come off. We can't see that shoe yet. We can't see that shoe yet, man. Let's go ahead, throw the box to the side. You guys know what GOAT. You get your little tissue paper inside. But look at the box, man. Look at the box. This joint is crazy. So I don't even know how I'm gonna do the thumbnail, bro. I don't know if I'm gonna show you guys the box. I don't know if I'm gonna show you guys the back and the bottom of the shit. I don't know, bro. The box is A1. Look at that. Look at the box, man. Oh my God. You guys can see what we got, bro. So for the official colorway, what I've been telling you guys to wait for the longest, before we get into it, hit that like button for your boy. But we have the official size tag, and it reads, Women's Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG, Black Legend MD, brown and white. Unless you guys check that out. Maybe I'm a little dyslexic. I don't know what that say, but you guys can see it, bro. We have another clean pair of Jordan. It happens to be a women's exclusive, bro. I feel like Jordan Brand is ruining it with the women's exclusive. But enough talking, man. Let's check them out. Okay, hold on. I see you got a little stamp right there. And on the inside, you do get this huge, like, Jumpman little towel. I don't know what this is, bro. You got this, and it says, see ya latte. See ya later, you know what I'm saying? That's super dope. Nice presentation with this right here. Throw that to the side. I don't want to mess that up. And, yeah, it's a moment of truth, y'all. Moment of truth. Let's go ahead and check them out, man, in 3, 2, okay. We got more t-shirts, baby. Hold on. Of course, you got your GOAT little sticker right here, GOAT card. You guys know 100% authentic, 100% OG. And, okay, come with this. We got to take it out like that. That's cool. That's how we're going to do it, y'all. So let's pull it out of the tissue paper, man. And here we have them. Here we have them, man. We got them, bro. The Air Jordan 1 Women's Latte joints, bro. Oh, my God. And I'm not even gonna hold y'all, brother. Quality on the leather, it is nice, premium touch to it. And on the back, you kind of get this like nubuck-ish, I don't know, it's like a weird nubuck material on the heel and on the upper near the ankle portion right here. You guys see the huge Black Wings logo, but it kind of got like a pebbled, I don't know if it's a textured nubuck leather material. I don't know, man. I'm sorry. The material is really throwing me off right now, but it's not like your regular, you know, leather material that you do have on your side panels in your toe box. But you guys can see, bro. Look at these joints, man. Women's Air Jordan 1 Latte. Y'all cannot tell me these joints is not gas, bruh. So let me go ahead and pull out the other sneaker of the box real quick. They did, you know what I'm saying, package these things up really nice premium touch to it, nice little extra accessories. And I'm wondering if they have extra laces, and they do. They do have extra laces in here. You guys can see, man, they come with, is this sail? I think, yeah, this is a sail laces that it does come with. You can switch out with the black laces that already come with it. Me personally, I'm definitely going with the white laces in these, bro. Like real nice off that nice pop it out latte in the back. Just overall, bro, this a very beautiful colorway, man. I love it. I'm loving it, man. And what's also super dope about this Air Jordan 1 is on the inside, you get more of like that latte coffee vibes on the insole of the sneaker. I don't know if y'all can peep that out, but you got Nike Air down there, kind of like the latte vibes with the insole pattern. I feel like when you have shoes like this, there's not much you can really say. It's either you love them or you hate them, but I definitely feel like it's gonna get a lot of slack due to the fact that it's not a regular men's release. It's not a general release. This is a women's exclusive. And like I said, I was able to get these off of the GOAT app a little bit early, man, but I am telling y'all, bro, if they would've made these a GR, if they would've made these like a regular drop, people would have went crazy over these. So I want you guys to let me know down in the comment section, bro. Am I tripping, or is this Air Jordan 1 Latte a gas fire colorway? It's just gas, bro. There's like no many words I can put towards it. The quality is nice. The leather quality is good. The nice material on the back. It's like a nubuck material, bro. Like I can't wait for you guys to, you know, get a pair in hands, like a nubuck suede or something like that. It's very weird material. I'm sorry I can't pinpoint what it is, but just overall, man, loving execution, loving the quality. Not a lot of factory flaw issues and stuff like that, but the huge latte on the bottom, bro, and the latte on the insole. They just went crazy on these joints, bro. I ain't gonna hold y'all. And then I had to grab them, bro. We had to grab the Air Jordan 1 Palomino, kind of give you that, like, you know, darker mocha vibe. But then you go and transition to the lattes, and I feel like, you know, I'm just missing one. I'm missing one at the back, bro. I definitely need the Air Jordan 1 mochas. It is like a lighter mocha than the Palomino, so I feel like, you know, I gotta have her, but kind of like complete the pack. Got the lattes right here, you got the Palominos and the mochas. Just go dumb in my honest opinion, bro. I love them things. I just still don't want to put a trigger on that sneaker because they are reselling for a lot of money right now. So again, man, you guys let me know down below in the comment section, bro, how are you feeling about this Air Jordan 1 right here, man? I am loving them all over it, and I will be doing a full review on those feet very, very soon. But of course, we gotta knock out the Air Jordan 4 Military Blue reviewing on feet first, because our release is this upcoming weekend, so stay tuned for that. Probably dropping it tomorrow or on Thursday, so stick around, stay tuned. You do not want to miss it. You got some dope pants. I'm gonna lace these things up crispy, gonna style these joints like crazy, so don't miss out by subscribing and hit the notification bell. So I appreciate all the support, man. Thank you guys so much for tapping in, bruh. More content on the way. Again, bruh, I appreciate all the love and support. If you are new here, sub up, hit the notification bell for your boy. More content on the way. We're hearing about some more shot drops. May is probably the hottest month of the year, so stick around, stay tuned, because we had to push out a lot of information regarding May's drops, because it's gonna go crazy, bro. There's a lot of heat coming out, man. But I love y'all. Again, appreciate all the support. Thanks for tapping in. All that's been said, man, your boy DeVintage. Gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.